It made it a zoo.
Does your client want to appeal?
Oh, absolutely. And she has some excellent grounds for it. We even had tried to get the UK judgment in to dismiss his case because he already had his shot.
Amber's lawyer, Elaine, has been taking interviews from multiple channels trying to dismiss the verdict from the Virginia court on grounds that they had won in the UK previously, so the one in Virginia was rigged. First of all, in the UK, Johnny was suing the Sun and not Amber, and they won because they had proved that they never wrote their post regarding Johnny being a wife beater with intention of malice, but instead with intentions of helping Amber's voice, the voice of a domestic abuse survivor, to be heard. They might have not known the entire story, but they did not make up the story but got it directly from Amber, who was by then publicly telling everyone how Johnny assaulted her and abused her. They'd never met Amber won anything. Only the Sun won, and when it was now time for Amber to tell her truth, she lost.
Proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Johnny had sued his ex-wife for defamation over an op-ed post she had published with the Washington Post claiming she was a survivor of domestic abuse, and in the post she claimed she had faced the wrath of the world when she had talked about what had happened to her. She never mentioned Johnny, but we all knew she was referring to him. People took pity on Amber and started hating on Johnny, labeling him a wife beater. This had a big impact on Johnny's life and career. He lost all his roles, got fired from Disney, and had the whole world hating on him. He decided that he needed to tell the world his truth and let the world decide who the real victim in his marriage was. When his case was accepted in Virginia, Amber tried to appeal against it, but when it failed, she countersued it for $100 million, claiming Johnny and his attorney had defamed her by saying she and her friends had created a fake hoax to destroy Johnny. During the ongoing case, the truth being revealed from evidence and witnesses all pointed to the fact that Johnny never hurt Amber, and that it was she who used to harass him, mock him, and even hit him. We also noticed that while a lot of people testified for Johnny, only Amber's sister was there for her, and all the evidence they used had either been recorded years ago or was from a professional who didn't even know the couple personally. For the jury to reach a verdict, all Johnny had to do was present Amber as the owner of the op-ed. He was also supposed to show the jury that she had made false accusations in the op-ed and had knowingly done so with intentions of malice. He proved that the op-ed was written by Amber when he brought in an ACLU worker who worked with Amber at the time, where the ACLU was supporting Amber into writing the op-ed, which proved the op-ed was actually owned and written by Amber herself. The ACLU worker also confirmed that she had aligned the date of the op-ed with her upcoming movie Aquaman, which meant she wanted more popularity for the movie from the op-ed.
Wanted the op-ed to come out soon after Aquaman, correct?
I believe that's correct.
Who did she relate that to?
I don't recall, although I believe that there's documents that we produced that can shed some light on that.
Is Exhibit 38 kept in the ordinary course of the ACLU's business?
Yes.
Johnny also pointed out the fact that she made false statements in her post more than one time in court, when she had mentioned that Johnny would hit her and beat her up. Johnny proved that he always ran away whenever there were fights between him and Amber, and that this actually angered her more. He proved that he was the one getting hit and being shouted at all the time and not the other way around. He proved that Amber was so evil that she even defecated on his side of the bed as a prank after they had quarreled with each other. She tried blaming the human excrement on their teacup Yorkies, but no one believed that. She cut off Johnny's finger and burned a cigarette to his face, but still blamed Johnny for that. With all this evidence, the world believed that Johnny was actually the survivor of domestic violence and not the other way around. He proved that she had done this with intention of malice when he showed the court that Amber had actually leaked info to the press on when and where she would be going to sue her husband, file a restraining order against him, and even told them which side of her face she wanted pictures taken of. Amber had told Johnny that no one would believe him if he came out as a victim of abuse because he was a man. But Johnny took his chances and the jury believed him and he won. Now Elaine, Amber's lawyer, is jumping from news to news, trying to dismiss the fact that after 6 weeks of deliberating and thorough work from both sides of defense and finally getting a verdict, it was rigged. She's only trying to get attention, so all we have to do is ignore her. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.